Welcome to the Accounts training videos. The following presentations have been designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of the accounting functions that exist in Pinnacle. In this presentation, I will be providing a brief overview of the available accounting functionality you can expect to see in following presentations. Within the Accounts module, we'll be looking at the cash book and the inquiry screen where we can see our bank accounts. We'll be going through the receipting process and all the various different types of receipts and how money is received into the banks within Pinnacle. Likewise, we'll be following through the same payments process, making payments through all these options here. We'll be detailing transfers, so moving money between our bank accounts, and the direct debit receipting process within Pinnacle. Within the sales ledger functions, we'll be looking at account inquiries, posting sundry invoices and sundry credit notes, the allocate cash routines, and statement runs. Within the reporting section, we'll be detailing exactly how all the reports work, from the daybook, age, debt, transaction, account status, turnover reports, the credit card report, credits given, amendments audit, and query transactions reports. We'll also be covering sales ledger month end. We'll be looking at transaction and master accounts and how these are set up and how they exist within the system, as well as going over the parameters which govern the sales ledger at both master and transaction level. Within the purchase ledger, we'll also be looking at the accounts within here and processing invoices via two methods, one being the sundry posting and one being a GRNI matching process. We'll be going over the allocate payments routine and the part allocation methods, the authorised invoice routines, and detailing producing remittances and backs files. We'll also be covering a spend analysis report and other reporting functionalities that exist within the purchase ledger, such as the daybook, age credit, transaction, logged invoices reports, payments due reports, the GRNI report, and the amendment audit again, before covering off the month-end process. We'll also take a look again at setting up transaction and master purchase ledger accounts, and then the ledger parameters that exist in there. Within the nominal ledger section, we'll be running inquiries on nominal ledgers based on either nominal codes, run numbers, and open items. We'll also be detailing all the types of journals you can do within the system, from standard, reversing, automatic journals, to contras and adjustment journals. We'll also be detailing the profit and loss report, the balance sheet report, the trial balance, the VAT analysis, how to produce composites from within Pinnacle, and going over the adjustments reports, and setting up and creating your own management reports. We'll be covering how to import a budget within the system, as well as looking at the last of the month-end processes, which is closing the nominal ledger. We'll also cover all the nominal ledger parameters that exist. Within fixed assets, we'll look at, first of all, the parameters that govern those, the creating of a fixed asset through Pinnacle, as well as the importing of assets, writing off assets, and reporting on all assets, as well as running your depreciation each month. The last lot of accounting reports we'll look at are within the vehicles module, and these are the debtors reports, creditors reports, any vehicle adjustments reports, consignment VAT and VAT analysis, as well as the vehicle ledger month-end process.